Welcome to this tutorial on how to exclude a specific column from the comments section in WordPress. In this guide, every step will be described in detail so that you can easily follow along and apply the change to your website. This tutorial was created by Gerix Paul de Lima on March 31st, 2025 and was originally featured on Double. Today the focus is solely on understanding and applying the process without deviating from the original steps, while still providing you with context and useful hints. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the WordPress site. Once you are on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner. There you will find the login option that you need to click. This initial interaction is fundamental because it grants you access to the administrative portion of WordPress where you can manage comments and other site settings. After clicking on the login button, you will be prompted to use your credentials. The next step involves selecting the option that says Continue with Google. When you click that, a list or pop-up will appear with your available Google accounts. Choose the account you want to use, and by doing so, you ensure a seamless and secure sign-in process. Using the Continue with Google option not only speeds up the login procedure but also adds an extra layer of reliability to your session. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard area of your WordPress site. This is where all the administrative features and settings are available. The next focus is on navigating to the comments section. Look for the comments option, which can be accessed either through the dashboard menu or by following the provided link that takes you directly to the comments page. In the comments section, you will see a list of all the comments on your site, along with various columns displaying different information. Now that you are within the comments area, move your mouse to the top right corner of the page. There you will find the Screen Options control. Clicking Screen Options will cause a panel to drop down, displaying customization settings that let you choose which columns are visible. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to simplify the layout by removing columns that are not needed for your current tasks. Within the Screen Options panel, a list of checkboxes appears. At the top of this list, identify the checkbox corresponding to the column you wish to exclude. Simply uncheck that box to remove the column from view. This action immediately changes the display of the comments screen, allowing you to focus only on the relevant information. After unchecking the desired checkbox, make sure to click on the Apply button to save your settings. This final step confirms the change, and the comments section updates to reflect your adjustment by omitting the selected column. The updated display now presents a cleaner interface that is easier to navigate and manage. This concludes the process of excluding a column from the WordPress comments section. The steps provided here are straightforward and designed to help you customize your admin panel quickly. Enjoy your newly streamlined view as you continue to manage your website efficiently.